EV3 features in 2013's Nature's Fury FLL Challenge. This is the first time where three types of robots are allowed in an FLL competition together. There are RCX, NXC, and the new robot in town, EV3, who are all going to use their ultimate strengths to help in this year's Nature's Fury Challenge. In this video, we, Team 67 Nano Ninjas, will help explore the new features of EV3. EV3 has got a new look and is very modern, given its chiseled parts. There is more color and show in EV3 pieces. EV3 is all about class. Have you ever noticed the difference between iPhone chargers? You can see that in the first generation, the charger was round and simple. But as the generations of iPhones continued, the charger also updated style, with sleek, square sides. The same goes for NXT to EV3. EV3 has 64 MB of RAM, 16 MB of flash storage, and USB 2.0 interface for expansion modules like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. EV3 changed the sensors as well. Now instead of using up two ports for two sensors, EV3 has combined the color and light sensor. Also new this year, the gyro sensor will be allowed for the competition. What's a gyro sensor? The gyro sensor helps us to keep our robot stable while we attempt the Nature's Fury Challenge. This sensor measures the robot's rotational motion and changes it in its orientation. The cool thing about EV3 is the 4 motor ports. The brick runs an ARM version of Linux and is capable of driving 4 separate motors and receiving input from 4 separate sensors. We like the different types of motors provided in the kit. The EV3 large servo motor and medium servo motor can be used for various purposes. The medium servo motor is small and great for attachments. EV3 also has a number of new pieces. The programming in EV3 is a lot like LabVIEW software. The programming has the same basic outlook of the NXT programs, but with more complexity and features. The programming demos and robot modules are fun and eye-catching. It has lots of learning options as well as data logging. Though it takes time to get used to, EV3 programming is great once you get to know it. The big challenge we have with EV3 is the startup time. It takes more than 45 seconds to boot up, and we need to consider this factor in the tournament. We're planning to switch it on during the inspection, and it can be calibrated at the table when we get our turn. This is a good thing to remember at the competition. But the batteries are super, and it can go for a long run, 6 hours till it needs charging. We hope you learned a little about EV3 and take this knowledge to use. This is Nano Ninjas signing out. See more of our videos by searching Nano Ninjas FLL. Until then, goodbye.